Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous paper roses birthday card with lots of techniques. I will show you how to make these tiny paper roses, how to make the background, and without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First, here I am taking light pink color cardstock which measures 9.5 by 15 centimeters, and this beautiful geometrical stencil by iCraft. I am just aligning the stencil on top of the card base, and here I am using the glitter paste, fabric glitter paste by Little Birdie, and applying it on the stencil using my palette knife, covering each and every part nicely from all the corners. Now taking out the stencil slowly, and can you see how gorgeous this is looking? Allow it to dry. Then here I am taking one paper strip which measures 21 by 4 centimeters, and using this scallop border punch I am just punching one border of the paper. This paper is having 90 GSM thickness, so you can use any craft paper which you have. If you don't have this kind of punch, you can also use zigzag scissors to create this kind of effect. And this is done. Now I am folding this strip in zigzag manner till the end. Like this, so we will have the fan kind of shape. Now between each fold I am going to add glue dots so that it will get attached from the bottom, and repeat this process from both the sides. Now gather all the zigzags together, hold it tight from one corner and clip it for few minutes. Now taking back my textured cardstock and using the same border punch, I have cut two more strips of same cardstock. So I am just attaching the border of the scallop design on both sides of pattern. Cutting the excess paper, and this is done. Now exactly in the center I am adding one maroon color cardstock. This is a 5 centimeter strip in width. And this is done. Isn't it looking very sparkly? Then I am taking card base which measures 21 by 15 centimeters. This is 250 GSM white color cardstock. I have just folded this into half, and now I am going to adhere my handmade pattern paper on top of this. And the card base is ready. Burnishing it very well using bone folder. Then here I am adding the sentiment "Have a magical birthday." On backside of this I have added double-sided foam tape and I have added 2 layers of tapes to give it dimension. I am adding this sentiment on the right middle side, and also my fan is completely dried, so I am attaching this fan in one corner of the card like this. Then I am starting with making the paper roses. Here I am taking off-white color paper and I have already cut 2 sizes of the 5 petal flower, 2 in big and 3 in small size. And to color these flowers I am using soft pastel colors. So I am using pink and red color on my finger and just applying it on the center of each flower from both the sides. The template of this flower along with the leaf is given in the description box, you can check there. So coloring is done. Now I'm just spraying little water on each flower, making it little moist so that we can shape it easily, soaking the excess water using tissue paper. And then I'm taking my embossing pad and small size group golf tool and shaping each flower petal. For bigger size I am rotating the flower after shaping, and for smaller flower I am cupping it as it is. So shaping is done, allow it to dry. Then I am pricking the hole in the center of each flower using needle or backside of the groove golf tool. Then I am taking 6 mm styrofoam bud in drop shape, and we need to color this styrofoam bud also from top. So I am using same soft pastel color, spreading this color using wet brush. And then passing my first flower through this. Add little glue. Combine all the petals together and make a bud. Then passing my second layer. Then passing the third layer and shaping each petal backward using pointed tweezer. Then passing the fourth layer as it is, and at the end I am adding fifth layer. Just offset the petals little bit so that all the petals we can see from top, like this. And the beautiful paper rose is completely ready. Now to give it little glittery look, I am randomly adding glue on the petals, only on the edge, and using fine sparkle dust or glitter dust by Dress My Craft and dipping my flower into this. So after drying, it will give very nice glittery look to your flower. And this is done. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more flowers with the same procedure, so roses are ready. Now I am showing you how to make leaves. So I have just cut the leaf cutout using dark sap green color paper. I am shaping it using same small size groove golf tool. And the leaf is ready. Now taking my flower back and cutting the wire from the bottom. Then I am sticking it on top of the leaf. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more flowers by attaching it with the leaf, and this is done. Now taking back my card, and I will start decorating one corner using these handmade paper roses. Also, I have this beautiful filigree cutout in gold mirror cardstock. So I'm just attaching these filigrees here and there randomly. And wherever required, I am adding some more leaves. Now, randomly I am adding some sequences in peach and purple color. Like this, and it's looking absolutely gorgeous and amazing. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.